Hello! Let's learn some colors name. Orange color, brown color, violet color, light green color, red color, purple color, sky blue color, black color, dark green color, yellow color, dark blue color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets and numbers. A for avocado. X for X-ray. G for gun. U for uniform. B for blueberry. P for pen. S for star. D for dragon. C for cake. N for nurse. Z for zipper. K for kiwi. E for eggplant. L for lollipop. H for horse. T for train. W for watermelon. F for fan. J for jellyfish. Y for yam. I for ice cream. O for ox. V for violin. M for moon. Q for queen. R for rainbow. Let's learn to count some numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.